Being a millionaire isn't a ticket to mansions, yachts, and caviar like it once was, but the goal is more reachable than ever. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 5 things you must let go to become a millionaire. Not everyone is destined to become a millionaire. In fact, nobody is destined to become anything at all. A person's potential for success may begin with the circumstances into which they were born, but whether or not they actually become successful depends on the choices they make and the life they choose to live. Here are the 5 things you must let go to become a millionaire. Let's begin with number 1, toxic friends. Friends can either help build you up or they can absolutely tear you apart. If you find yourself surrounded by naysayers who have no ambition in their lives other than to keep others down, you need to ditch them immediately. They may be fun to be around at times, but they serve no purpose in your life if your goal is to become a success. On the other hand, surrounding yourself with people who are more successful than you gives you ambition to do better each and every day. When you set out your life's path, take care in who you bring along with you. Before we proceed to the next thing that you need to let go of to become a millionaire, like this video, smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell right now, because if you don't, you won't have the opportunity to become a millionaire in your whole life. You don't want that to happen, don't you? So keep on watching. Number 2, you are afraid of investing. It will be nearly impossible for the typical worker to become a millionaire without at least doing some investing. A few movie stars and pro athletes will break this rule, but apart from that, they will have trouble making their money last if not invested to grow over time. You may feel safe stuffing your life saving under the mattress, but you are losing money each and every day after inflation eats away at your purchasing power. If you want to achieve and maintain financial independence, then you will need the help of compounding interest via some type of investing. Number 3, drink and gamble. There's nothing like getting rich quick. Financial success takes time, initiative, and requires relentless effort. Those who gamble are deluded into thinking there is a shortcut to success, Corley writes. Instead, millionaires get in the habit of pursuing their dreams and goals. On the other hand, excessive alcohol consumption prevents you from becoming a millionaire since it damages your memory, the ability to think clearly, and your health. That doesn't mean that you can't occasionally have a glass of wine or beer. Don't make drinking a habit. 4, lack of purpose. Every single rich person in the world wakes up knowing exactly why they're getting out of bed in the morning. Too many of us go to bed at night not having accomplished anything during their waking hours, simply because they didn't see a purpose for doing anything at all. This sense of purpose must come from within. And finally, we have number 5, being consumed by failure. Entrepreneurs wear failure as a badge of honor. That doesn't mean they enjoy or want to fail. Going out of business and losing almost everything is rubbish, but those bumps of life are necessary to become strong as you can be. Don't get confused. Failure is horrible, but you shouldn't let that stop you. Take risks, and if you fail, learn from your mistakes and move on. Well, most of the people have bad habits that get in the way. If you're able to abandon the following habits, you must be able to understand that becoming a millionaire is not as far from reality as idea as you think. We all want to be. Wondering how to become a millionaire? It may sound impossible to some people, but it doesn't have to be an out-of-reach pipe dream. With careful planning, patience, and smart savings, you can easily make $1 million by the time you retire. Who does not dream of becoming wealthy? If you ask people around you about their goal in life, many of them would say that it is being rich or wealthy. The reasons why people want to be wealthy vary from person to person. And if you want to be wealthy, there's no easy route. Just focus on your goals and face the current problems in a realistic manner. And that is it for today's video, guys. Do you dream of becoming a millionaire? Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell down below for more upcoming videos like this one. Thanks for watching.